Hello friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today we will learn what are the 5 quick ways to start earning money online. So in this video we will not just cover any random 5 ways of earning money. The titles that I'm going to tell you are basically the basic skills that are needed to be successful in the online business, okay, online money making business. So there are many fast ways, but there are also some genuine ways, okay. Fast ways are always there, but they could be earning you very less money rather than being a genuine or with handsome payouts. Making money online has more to do with the programming of your brain than the actual methods you can use to make money online. So for this reason, I will not focus on the method themselves. Instead, I will focus on the skills to make money online fast. As mentioned before, the fastest way to make money online is to become valuable over the internet. Okay? See, the internet is now very crowded. Okay, a lot of digital content managers are coming online. They are putting their skills and efforts, and just so bringing the competition to the market. Okay, we have to stand out from the crowd so that you can be successful in the online money making business. Although there are many skills you can learn to make money online, only few skills are really valuable in the online world, and I will list several of them here. So starting with the copywriting. Copywriting is a very basic need if you go online. The art and science of creatively writing precisely in order to make money online is nothing but the copywriting. But it is not similar to the copy paste job, because that would be the plagiarism. Okay, the content needs to be fresh, needs to be having your own efforts put up so that you can seek the attention of your audience. Then the second is writing and storytelling. Now, writing and storytelling is not similar to copywriting. The title might sound similar, but the art of creatively writing captivating stories in compelling ways for readers to enjoy the reading is the way of storytelling, and that's the different skill. Then there is online marketing also. Online marketing is very important. Online marketing is the art and science of advertising any kind of goods or services to potential consumers using digital marketing techniques and strategies and other tools also. You can also refer to it as the ability to sell the products online. Okay, simply put, this includes affiliate marketing, digital marketing is there, content marketing is there, and mobile phone marketing, etc. Then fourth skill that I'm going to tell you is very important, and you always engage with this one, that is social media. So social media marketing is also important, and in short, it is called as SMM over the internet. It is a form of internet marketing that involves creating and sharing the content on social media networks in order to achieve your online and offline marketing and branding tools, okay, branding goals also. So this involves the use of like different marketing techniques are there, platforms are there, tools like influencer marketing is there. It could be YouTube or social media network as well. Okay. Then comes the fifth and very important, that is graphic designing or visual presentation of your skills. So graphic design is a skill in the online and offline business world, simply because humans respond to the graphics more than they would respond to the plain text. For example, when we read a fiction book, it will take a lot of time, like months, to read it and finish the story. But sometimes we might forget the chapters that we read earlier. But if you see the same in the movie line or in the graphic way, then you will visualize it quickly and you can finish it quickly. Okay, so the similar way, in online marketing, the graphic designing is very important so that you can have your advertisement in a graphic way so that you can seek the attention of your audience. So for this reason, there is no shortage of demand for the graphic design services. However, like all other artistic skills, and the skill of graphic design gets better with the practice and can be enhanced even more by the ability to use the graphic design software. So while there are many illegitimate websites that promise the large sums of money for very little work, there are also few legitimate sites that offer reasonable payouts. Okay. However, it is important to be cautious about these sites and make sure that you understand the terms and conditions before signing up. Don't fall for any scams, because there are a lot of illegitimate websites available there. But once you have registered with the one of these sites which are genuine, be sure to carefully track your earnings so that you know exactly how much money you are making every day, because the money should be at least greater than what you are already earning from the fixed job, or at least it should be 50% of that, so that your efforts are getting paid. You will understand that your efforts are getting paid genuinely. So there are many scams out there that promise you easy money by completing short tasks or selling products. Be wary of any sites like that. that ask for your personal, they ask for your personal information, let's say for the KYC, especially if it is asking for the money to join its affiliate program. Always do your research before signing up for anything, and to be sure, only use a reputable source of income like online surveys are there, paid subscriptions are there, and micro tasks from the companies like Crowdflower. Okay, as the digital world continues to evolve, so does our access to the information. With the invention of smartphones, tablets, and other e-readers, the ease of accessing information has become the second nature of the most people. So, with more than half of the population using the internet on a daily basis, it's no wonder why online businesses have boomed as they have today. So, from the blogging to social media marketing and everything in between, there are plenty of ways that you can make money online as a beginner. So, if you know where to look, okay. Aside from the kind of the web home centered businesses that you decide to develop, or the way in which that you create your website traffic, you have to obviously express the advantages of your products and services or the product itself. Pick your own pick your on the web enterprise model carefully. What operates for one individual might not benefit you, okay. So the strategy could be different for one individual, it could be different for your friend if he's into the same business. It might work for me but not you, okay. So you have to understand the strategy behind publishing your online model. So develop good material in your site and offer your website guests with the value. Okay, that's the main element of any effective way of doing the business online. Many people believe that the whole problem of earning money online from your home is sometimes too complex or unreliable means of earning money. The primary reason that numerous fail online is that they think it's a way to get rich fast without the efforts. Okay, but that's not the thing. You have to put a lot of efforts and a lot of time in it. For example, if someone is making a YouTube channel, okay, then they will be putting a lot of efforts. They will start monetizing only if they get genuine thousands subscribers, 4,000 watch hours by the people. And that's not a very easy task to do. It could take from 1 month to a year or so for many good channels out there. So you will need a lot of time to do that. So if they understand, so it does include the perform responsibility and methods, and they offer it, okay. But you will find the ones that do make money on the way from home every day. So guys, this way you can apply the strategies to your online businesses. This could be your blog, this could be your YouTube channel, or there are other video platforms where you are publishing your videos. Okay, it could be any video, any blog related to any topic, but you have to just follow the methodology perfectly as I have described into this video, and then you can start earning money. Whether you are working for a platform like Fiverr or Upwork, etc., or whether you are creating your own blogs and trying to catch the audience's attention and then earning money through AdSense, the methodology remains the same. But you have to be consistent and put your efforts and time into the same. Thank you guys.